In 1900, an estimated 1 million chimpanzees lived in the wild across the world. Today, it's estimated that there are as few as 340,000 in the world, with Uganda having an estimated population of about 5,000 chimps. The continued destruction of their habitat, as well as human and wildlife conflicts, have been cited as some of the key challenges threatening their existence. Speaking at a public lecture, Dr. Jane Goodall, the founder of the Jane Goodall Institute and the UN Messenger of Peace, said everyone depends on the natural world.
Protecting the environment isn't just for wildlife. And there are scientists who tell us we've reached the tipping point. Well, I believe, as I've said, we have this window of time.
She is optimistic that with everyone's commitment, the loss of biodiversity and the effects of climate change can be slowed down.
So think what COVID did to our societies around the world. It caused so much loss of jobs, loss of life, disruption of social services. We don't want more. We must start respecting animals. We must stop treating them as mere things, mere objects that we can do what we like with.
Today we stand at crossroads, witnessing the reality of deforestation unfolding before our eyes, with major chimpanzee habitats being ravaged by the forces of human progress. The expanding footprint of commercial development casts a shadow of uncertainty over the future of these remarkable creatures.
The country director, Wildlife Conservation Society, says a multisectoral approach to conserve the endangered species is crucial.
Communities that endure and suffer the losses need to hear our voices, and that means that we should invest in improving the livelihoods of the communities so that they are supportive to conservation.
These forests we are cutting down, we are cutting our water reservoirs. Soon there will be no more rain. Even when you want to irrigate, the aquifers will be dry.
And so it is important that those of us in this room today appreciate our role if we are going to have the ecosystems and actually our very selves, the humans, survive for generations to come.
Benjamin Jumbe, NTV.